Makiaria thutha wa gutitimurwo ceceni-ini ya umaki wa kigerio kiu itura-ini ria Mang'u mwena wa Gatundu, atongoria aya ni mamenereirie kanju ya igeranio bururi-ini knec ni kiria maugite ni guthie na mbere na kwagarara ihoto cia arimu aria maramaka kigeranio kiu. Matongoretio ni munini wa muikariri giti wa KUPPET Julius Koril, atongoria aya moritie neki kurehe maiganania hari kurehe arimu aria mamaka kigeranio giki, makihoya kanju ino kuongerera marihi mau nginyagia ciringi 100 hari o karatathi karia arimu mamaka.
We want these marking rates to be harmonized because there are some papers where people are paid 70-something shilling and then in this CRE they were given less than 60 shilling and they mark a lot.
We are aware they have been sent away, but we want to ask the government to pay them for the work they have already done. We are aware that each examiner had marked averagely 350 papers. That is equivalent to around 20,000. We want to ask our good government to consider sending that money to their M-Pesas. These teachers are suffering. We have just come from the festive season and they have nothing. Looking at the conditions and the way they were sent away, that money will come in handy to enable them even send their children to school.
Solidarity forever.
Maugite hari bata kanju ya igeranio kunanira njung'wa na ihinda-ini ria mathaa 24 niguo kunina wagagu uria uthiite na mbere na gwithegea mihang'o-ini ya guthurima wira wa arutwo.
To tell markers, if there is a time that they need to fight for themselves, this is the time. Because even other centers, we may tell them not even to mark again. Because if CRE has been, people have been chased, why should the other people remain?
We are warning the government that what has happened in the Mang'u is a tip of the iceberg. Let them not pretend that now they have solved the problem. More trouble is coming. These examiners are only waiting. It's only a matter of time. And we are urging them to come up and in solidarity, they will be considered once they also stand with these other ones. Otherwise, we want good treatment to our examiners. Like, we also want the examiners to know that together and by cooperating with the unions is when we can succeed.
Oho ni macakaite rira riuru riria arimu aria mamaka kigeranio giki makoretwo makigererio, makiuga aingi ao makoretwo makiruta wira muritu, amwe magiukira thaa 10 na kuhinga wira thaa 5 cia utuku. Atongoria acio maritie mathaa manini tu thutha wa mihang'o ya umaki wa kigeranio gya KCSE kugomerwo ni mathina thukuru-ini wa airitu wa Mang'u thutha wa kugomera mihang'o iyo magitetia marihi moru na rira riuru ria kurutira wira.
These examiners are being exposed to poor working condition. They wake up around 4 and they work up to around 11. Which is very unfair.
Ona gutuika ceceni ino ni rahingirwo hwai wa ira kuratuika mihang'o ya kumaka no iratwarithio na mbere ni atongoria arimu aria maramakaga ona gutuika na njira ya kahora makiria. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV kuma thukuru-ini wa St Francis Mang'u kaunti-ini ya Kiambu, ritwa riakwa ni Mathew Ndung'u.